Hey y'all, check this out. Technical Tuesdays, diving into the crypto charts. Let's take a look here. Bitcoin sitting at $31,708. I know everyone's thinking, oh, the bull run's over. See, I told you. Guys, I'm just not buying it. I'm not buying it. I'm looking here at the charts. I see the charts here. I'm going to leave these up. I'm going to leave these up for like a good month just to see how it plays out. And that's kind of where I stand on that. With this, everyone's saying, oh, see, I told you. Listen, this is broke to me. This is broken. This is a broken level of support. Even here, it looks respected. It does kind of look respected here, but I'm just not buying it, guys. It's too much bearish momentum. I still got Bitcoin going to 20K. I still got that. I'm leaving it up here. It is what it is. We'll see how everything rolls out. Looking at here, the pump. Pretty much a pump across the board, guys. Pretty much a pump everywhere. Ethereum pumping back up 1900, almost at was at 20,000 or not 20,000. Oh my goodness, was at 2,000 earlier. And pretty much seeing a little bit of bullish momentum everywhere. And I just don't see. I do not see a scenario where we break past. With Ethereum, we break past 2,300, then the next level resistance, we break past 3,500. I just don't see it. EMAs are still crossed. Going back to Bitcoin here, EMAs are still spread apart. Nothing really indicating that. We can go to the daily time frame and take a look as well. We did bounce off. Here, but pretty much broke. There is a slight EMA cross there, which could indicate we do rally up here. So 35, maybe. I just don't see us breaking all these levels on the daily time frame. We'd have to break 42, and then I'd want to see us break 48. I'm not necessarily bearish. I think bearish is a good thing. Like I said, I think bearish is people having opportunities to capitalize on low, undervalued projects. That's definitely something that I see. But right now, I'm still having this bearish sentiment until December. Until December. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Pullbacks till December, and we'll see where we're at there. And that's just, if the technicals line up, right, in Technical Tuesdays, and we're seeing something that I just can't ignore, like if we break above this level here, and this is the daily time frame, somehow we break above this level here, which is 48.2. But even lower than that, I say we break above 38 again. Like I said, 38, 39. Let's say 39. We break above 39 and somehow break above 43. Then I would change my sentiment a little bit. But right now we're still making a low. It's a new low. So even if we pull here, look at this. We're making a new low. High, low, pulled up here. It's a lower high. We made a new low. So it's really pulling back. And if we actually pull the fibs at that level, we're just making a lower high. So it's not really anything that I'm too bullish on right now, because we could pull back to 39.8 and be spot on with where we're at. We can pull back to 43, and I'd be anywhere between 39 and 43. I mean, I'm comfortable with that, with the pullback, but I'm still bearish until further notice. I would love us to break above 48, but I just don't see it happening. It's a pullback. But we'll see. Now until December is kind of what I'm looking at when it comes to, just based on the market cycles and what we've seen historically. We're right on track to what we've seen historically. So until that's broken, until something changes, that's kind of my fundamental approach to the market. Looking at XRP here now, pretty much the same thing. A pullback. A pullback to 55 cents would be ideal. Like I said, same thing. I don't see us breaking above 93 cents. So this is all accumulation zone. Like this entire area, if we look here, is all accumulation territory. All accumulation territory. So you've had 4 weeks to capitalize on this. accumulation territory. Now, will we make a new low? Possibly, but still, if you dollar cost average, you're not locking yourself in all at one price. You can take advantage of multiple price points, right? So, it's big accumulation zone. Leaving this up here to see how we play out. Really just as a, to document our journey when we look at the technical approach to this price action. And again here, looking at Cardano doing the same thing, falling off a cliff. It's been, but still 89 cents, level of resistance, which was former level of support. Previously broke through, and that's kind of the area that I'm looking at, or the zone per se. I'm looking at anywhere between 89 and 95 cents, pretty much under $1. I would say this pullback. I don't think there's a scenario where Cardano comes over $1 anytime soon. But one thing we can look at is a good level to accumulate, which is where we are now. Still accumulation zone between 78.6, 88.6 retracement zone. Good level of accumulation, I would say. So that's technical analysis right now. Quick breakdown of all these pairs and what I'm seeing. I do see a retracement, but a bearish retracement. So we're pulling back bullish. But we're overall still in a bearish market until further notice, which is a huge opportunity to accumulate, because millions are made in I almost said that completely wrong. Millions are made in bearish markets, in bear markets. When people accumulate undervalued quality projects. So high probability setups. What's the odds that Ethereum is going to be around? What are the odds that Bitcoin is going to be around? What are the odds that XRP is going to be around? What are the odds of Cardano is going to be around? So, and pay attention to these Web3 projects as well. But when we talk about fundamental, foundational projects, the probability that these projects are going to be around for the next bull run, and they're undervalued right now, is an opportunity to accumulate, in our opinion. So take a good look at these projects. These are our technical analysis for Technical Tuesdays. Hope you got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.